Okay, hello everybody. There's Nadia up there, and she's cleaning windows. There was some overspray from the paint. You can see they painted a really beautiful mural. Yeah, and so she's taking off the paint. Yeah, we use that goof off graffiti, super strength, taking off the paint. Yeah, yeah. We did all these. We're just finishing up right now. Nadia's putting on the finishing touches. She just put the screen back, but we had to take the screens out and do these lower windows too. So there it is. She's doing a really good job. So this is real awesome window cleaning, and we're up here. And so anyway, Nadia's doing a really super good job. So yeah, there's some of the ones that I did, the lower ones. Nadia did the high up ones. So she's really a good worker, and we cleaned roof gutters and screens. So there she is. So over and out. Peace. Okay, peace. Over and out. Okay, we'll see you guys. Okay, good job, Nadia.